Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain about this remove tool in the Photoshop. So this is a new tool which has been updated in 2023. So it has become very easy to remove the objects by just painting on the object which you want to remove. For example, now if I want to remove this bird, we can use this brush tool. And now if you want to increase or decrease the size of the brush, we can use Alt right mouse button, drag the mouse right side to increase and left side to decrease. Or else we can use open square bracket and close square bracket to increase and decrease the size of the brush. So now if you want to remove this bird, just we need to left click and drag on this bird here. And now just we have to release. And see, now it has been removed the bird easily without selecting or just without losing any clone stamp tools. And now suppose if you come to this image, now if you want to remove this name, it's easy. So just we need to left click and drag. So just left click and drag. So now see it has been removed properly. So it's easy to remove. And now suppose if you want to remove this blood stain on his face, so just we need to drag. So see now it has been removed. Just we need to refine it. So just left click and drag. So see now it has been removed. And just if you want to remove this beard, just you need to left click and drag so that it will remove this. So within seconds we have removed all these parts. So that's it for this tool, and in the next video I will explain about this spot healing and healing brush tools. So see you in the next video.